Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone is updated and connected. You have an email and a strong password ready. Open the App Store and download the Target app, tap Get, and authenticate with your Apple ID. Once done, launch the app and choose Create Account, enter your email, create a 12+ character password, and accept terms. Make sure to allow notifications and location if required. Those permissions speed setup and personalize your experience. Next, you fill out the account form with accurate personal details and a username. This helps with recovery and personalization. After submitting, the app sends an email and SMS verification code. Enter codes promptly, and if a code fails, request resend and check spam. Once verified, add a payment method or choose skip. Linking now speeds future transactions. Make sure recovery options are set because they prevent lockouts and allow you to reset passwords quickly. Finally, review privacy and notification settings so your account behaves as you expect, and enable two-factor authentication for stronger security. Use SMS or an authenticator app. Confirm profile details and save changes, then sign out and sign back in to confirm persistence. If something goes wrong, try the one-key troubleshooting step. Force quit the app, reboot your device, and reinstall if the issue persists. This sequence clears corrupt cache, refreshes permissions, and resolves most setup failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.